Alright, here it is. A replacement key fob shell from Phantom Speed Factory. Let's see what we got. So in your package, you're going to have a business card and your replacement key fob. On that business card, you'll notice that there's a QR code on the back. You're going to be able to scan that and go to install videos on YouTube. Here it is. And now this is permanent ink, and it's not going to chip and so forth. It's permanent. So, first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and take your blank key out, okay? And you'll notice there's two channels here. One's really shallow and one's long. This is where your key came out of, and this is where you're going to stick the key now. Give it a good twist, and that breaks the pieces apart here, okay? Now your fob's in two parts. Hold on to this blank key. Most people aren't going to use it, but if your original key's all banged up, you may want to have that cut and use that instead. That's your options. So with this apart, we're going to set it off to the side. We're going to do the same thing with the factory fob. Break it apart, set the keys off to the side. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this battery out. The side that you're looking at is the negative side. You'll see there's a positive side on the other side there. So we're going to take that and go ahead and stick it right into the red fob shell. And then this side here, there's a post at the top left. Sometimes there will be melted plastic that you may have to scrape off to get this loose. But what you're going to want to do is just pull this out without damaging anything. And you're going to go ahead and just stick it right into the red fob. Press it in there nice and firm. And then you're going to take your shell and slam it back together. No need for any dealership. Nobody's got to change any coding, programming, or anything. All you're doing is swapping out the plastic shell on the outside. So now that that's popped back together, you stick that original key back in, locks into place, and it works. That's it. Now right now the only color I offer is red, but we're doing a pre-order for blue. We need about 250 people in order to have the factory switch everything over. If we can get blue done, then we're going to look into other colors as well.